Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. Very quickly, I'm going to talk about our full math mastery batch which is going to start from 29th of May. And यहाँ पर हम discuss करेंगे the kind of philosophy that we have been following in full math mastery batches. And ऐसी philosophy क्यों follow कर रहे हैं? What are the problems which students face and how are we making sure कि वो बच्चों को जो usual problems आती हैं मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ने में, जेई का मैथ, आईएसआई का मैथ, ओलंपियाड का मैथ पढ़ने में वो ना आए. What have we done? Right, so we'll be talking about that, and also we'll be discussing about the results which this system has produced, full math master system has produced over the last couple of years. Very quickly, full math master एक ऐसा बैच है जो कि सारे के सारे एग्जाम्स है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स हैं अप टिल कॉलेज लेवल. दैट इज योर जेई, आईएसआई, इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट, चेन्नई मैथमेटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट, ओलंपियाड्स, आईओक्यूएम, ये सब कवर करता है सिंगल बैच के अंदर, अपार्ट फ्रॉम टीचिंग यू 11th एंड 12th ग्रेड स्कूल मैथ ऑल्सो. ये पूरा का पूरा कोर्स 170 लाइव क्लासेस के अंदर पूरा होता है, 170 प्लस लाइव क्लासेस के अंदर फुल हो रहा है. इसके अलावा देर आर रिविजन राउंड्स. ठीक है, सो वंस द सिलेबस इज कंप्लीटेड, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कमिटमेंट जो होती है वो जेई 2028 की है या फिर आईएसआई 2028 की है. तो जब तक जेई का पेपर नहीं हो जाता, आईएसआई का 2028 का पेपर नहीं हो जाता, तब तक हम यहाँ पे क्लासेस और रिवीजन कंडक्ट करते थे. दिस इज ओवर एंड बियॉन्ड दिस 170 प्लस क्लासेस. सो 170 प्लस क्लासेस के बाद रिवीजन राउंड्स होते हैं. यू टू कीप दिस इन माइंड. बहुत सारे टेस्टिंग होती है कि टेस्ट, इस पर नंबर्स पर ध्यान दो. जो हमारे टेस्ट लेते हैं वो एक्चुअली इससे बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. देयर आर डेली असाइनमेंट्स, टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी, सैम सपोर्ट. Apart from this, every other support that you need, either for IOQM or RMO, that is being given in this. इसके timings are 5 to 6:30 p.m. And Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. ठीक है? So, but in some phases, the number of sessions will increase, but the timings remain the same. Right? So whenever the exam is nearby, for example, if IOQM is nearby, we will be increasing the number of sessions so that to make you practice a little more. But the timings are going to be 5 to 6:30 p.m. only. Whenever you have school holidays, we might increase the number of sessions per week. But the timings are going to be 5 to 6:30 p.m. only in those phases. The classes may be held on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but the usual timings are going to be Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays only. I hope this is clear. This batch is going to be taken by all the teachers. Mostly it is taken by Chetan sir and me, Samainu sir, Anirudh sir, Krishnendu sir, Praveen sir also pitch in with this. ठीक है, तो ये this is one batch which covers each and everything of mathematics. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, the price of the batch is 24,999, and if you purchase the books, that is the Tattva, अगर हार्ड कॉपी, इसकी हार्ड कॉपी चाहिए बिकॉज सॉफ्ट कॉपी इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोवाइडेड हियर. But if you want hot copies, then you can purchase the additional, these hard copies at additional cost, and the price will be 26,499. The links are there in the description box. Okay. Now, what this batch has done, what do we follow here? What this batch has done? So first of all, this batch, we've been able to produce rank 1 in Indian Statistical Institute. Rishad Garg was a part of the first full math mastery batch, which ended in 2025. In fact, I would also like to highlight that this batch is going to be in English. ये batch English के अंदर होने वाला है. So he was a part of the first full math mastery batch, which ended in 2025, and of course, abhi 2026 batch has given the ISI exams. Very soon, the results are also going to be out, and we are expecting a lot of amazing results from this batch also. Apart from this, these are IOQM 2025 scores from the full mastery batches, which are already running. So there are 950 plus scores, 9 scores between 40 to 49, and 31 scores between 30 to 39. This is what we call full math mastery single batch. Okay, and by the way, the students who know about IOQM, they know that even scoring 20 marks in IOQM is very difficult. यहाँ पे we are talking about a lot of students and masses scoring more than 30 marks. And these are the list of some of the students, and a lot of these students have written ISI, Indian Statistical Institute, this year. For example, Udayveer is one of them, and a lot of others. And we are expecting a lot of these results in ISI this year also. Right, so these are some of the students of Vedantu Olympiad School in full math mastery batches who scored 50 plus in IOQM 2025. Right, so you can have a look at these. Lavish here is a commerce student. So being a commerce student, he took commerce with mathematics, and of course he was a part of full math mastery batch. And now he's given Indian Statistical Institute exam also. He was also in 50. A lot of these students are at 40s. Right, so all of these students, they are doing really great, and of course a lot of them are going to write JEE, a lot of them are going to write ISI, have written ISI, because some of the students are in 11th and 12th right now also because they join early. So that is why this. So what is going to get covered in full math mastery batch? Everything, right? So if there's a topic which is a part of JEE, if there's a topic which is part of JEE Advanced, if there is a topic which is a part of ISI, or is there a topic if there's a part of Olympiads, it will all be there, right? So we will be covering number theory also, geometry also, Euclidean geometry also, 3D geometry also, matrices, determinants, sets, relation functions, area under the curve, basic mathematics, quadratic number theory, circles, binomial, sequence, combinatorics, conics. So everything, straight lines, inverse trigonometry, method of differentiation. Calculus will be putting a special importance, because calculus is not only important for Indian Statistical Institute but also very important for JEE Advanced. Right, so all of these things are going to get covered in great detail. Now, what you are going to get beyond the classes? Okay, so first is we give concept videos, right? So what we have done is every concept has been divided into different subtopics. Okay, subtopics of 15 minutes, and a video has been made on that subtopic for 15 minutes explaining the video and also some basic problems. So these are what we call concept videos. So this is there for every topic. So we share these with the students. Now there are two kinds of students. One who would like to pre-read, right? So I was that kind of student who wanted to pre-read before going to my coaching classes and learn from the teacher in the best possible way. And there are other students who maybe want to consume this after the classes get over. So again, it is your wish. Depending on your studying habits, you can utilize this on your own, right? So kaise hota hai, I'll be also telling you about it. So concept videos, every topic, different concepts, and those videos have been made. Those videos are going to get shared with you. Then there are topic-wise assignments. So every class there will be an assignment given to you. Apart from this, there will be tattvas. Tattva is the booklet, the booklet I was talking about. So the students who purchase the one batch which is on the left side, they will get the e-copies. The ones who will have ordered the hard copies, the one which was on the right side, they'll get, apart from e-copies, they'll also get the hard copies of the books which are going to get delivered to your home. Apart from this, after every class, there is concept building classes. Okay, so high level classes. So after every chapter gets over, we take a special session which is either by Krishnendu sir or by Chetan sir or sometimes by me, जहाँ पर हम उस concept के अच्छे problems including Olympiads discuss करते हैं, right? So this is something which is very very interesting for the kids. Also, Chetan sir's special Jugaad sessions are there, all for most of the topics which he discusses with the students. There are thought building puzzles which we try to give almost in every class, because the main idea of mathematics is not only about learning mathematics and the core concepts of mathematics, it is about building logic. Without logic, you will never be able to score well in exams like Indian Statistical Institute or maybe JEE Advanced or maybe your Olympiads like IOQM and RMO. So logic building is one of the most important skills, and this is where we work on in these. So we give a lot of puzzles. There are special classes, separate classes for logic building, which we discuss, which we do in this. We ensure that almost in every class we give a thought puzzle to think about, and a lot of good discussions happen on Telegram. And apart from this, there is previous year question practice. If we talk about JEE, if we talk about ISI previous year questions or Olympiad previous year questions, these are all given to the students topic wise, right? So all these things are there in this course, apart from the lectures, which is one of the things. Now this is what we call concept videos. For example, as trigonometry, so trigonometry we have divided into 8 different subtopics. So compound angle formulas, trigonometric functions, regular polygons, multiple angles, formulas, system of measuring an angle, range of trigonometric functions, transformation formulas and trigonometric series. So हर का एक वीडियो लिंक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्ट्रेट लाइन के 10 पार्ट्स हमने डिवाइड कर दिए, हर एक का वीडियो लिंक है. एंड वीडियो ऐसे नहीं कि एक घंटे के हैं यूट्यूब वीडियोस की तरह, point to the point 15-minute videos. For example, if we talk about if this is working, no, this is not working. Yes, it is working. So if we talk about this video, so this is a 7.848 minute video, and here he is talking about the addition and multiplication laws of combinatorics. Right. So these kind of things are there, and this is something which definitely helps students a lot. Right. So students who want things from the basics, who want to pre-read. A lot of students, how they use these kind of videos is they pre-read. पहले से ही पढ़ के आते हैं, and when they come to the classes, they are already prepared and they are able to concentrate more, they are able to answer more in the classes. But again, if you don't want to use it as pre-reading tool, you can also use it as pre-reading, post-reading tool. For example, if you, this is something which you are not able to understand in the class, even though you can ask doubts in the class, but even after the, still, these are the videos which definitely help you. So if there's a concept which you want to learn, which you want to, because these videos will be, all the videos will be sending you. So if there's a concept which we are going to teach, let's say 1 month down the line, but you want to study it right now, so you have access to these videos wherein you can learn the basics of those concepts. I hope this is clear. So this is one of the most important things that we send. Apart from this, there is daily practice assignment. So every class there will be an assignment like this, right? So level 1 and level 2, right? So these kind of assignments are there. And then there are number theory, ISI previous year questions are there. So topic wise ISI previous year questions we will be giving you, right? So these all are things are there in this particular batch. So it's a complete batch, and we ensure that any student who faces any problem, we are able to fix it, right? So for example, if there's a student who's not able to understand a lot of things, again, there are concept videos which is definitely going to help you. There are other books also, e-books also that we share with the students, so that if he has time, he's able to spend time on those, and of course, he gets better at it. Okay, so ye hai. Apart from this, there is another choice that is given to the students, that is 11th plus IOQM batch. So it's the same batch. It's the same batch as the previous batch, just that iske andar 12th ke jo topics hote hain na, calculus, determinants, vectors, 3D, wo nahi honge. So it is going to run parallelly with the other students, the ones who are going to purchase that batch. But after your IOQM and 11 topics are done, your classes are going to get over, right? So this is something that you can do, and it's the same batch, just that your classes will discontinue after 11th and IOQM things. Okay, so these are the Jugaad sessions. So if you've seen these Jugaad sessions on YouTube by Chetan sir, so these are exactly the kind of Jugaad sessions which we do in our full math mastery batches also, and for exclusively for our students, wherein we discuss about the shortcuts, so-called shortcuts which can be applied in JEE Mains and ISI UGA. The students can apply. And right, so thought building puzzle in every class. So again, we ensure that a lot of these puzzles, these kind of puzzles are given to the students. If you follow this channel, you would have seen these kind of puzzles in our community post. So is tarah ke puzzles which sometimes we create on our own. So this particular puzzle was created by our own, right? So and was given to the students. So a lot of these puzzles are created by the entire team together, and we give them to the students. Right, so ये वाला जो puzzle था ये भी, which was created by Chetan sir himself, and it was discussed with the full math mastery students. Right, so most of the classes, as I mentioned, is going to be taken by Chetan sir, and some classes are going to be taken by other teachers also. So I and Praveen sir and Anirudh sir, Krishnendu sir, the entire team is going to take other batches. Mostly it is going to be taken by Chetan sir. Okay. So for 11th and IOQM, the batch price is 14,999, and if you order books, it will be 16,499 rupees. Right, so that's it. And is there any prerequisite to join this course? The only prerequisite is you should be thorough with the grade 10th maths. Right, so if you've completed grade 10th math, whatever grade you are in, if you're in 8th or 9th or maybe 10th, if you've completed grade 10th math, you are eligible to be part of this course. Right, so ideally, ये course 11th moving 12th वाले बच्चों के लिए, but again, even if you're in 11th, there are a lot of advantages. By the time you've just shifted to 11th, by the time you'll complete your 11th or maybe early part of 12th, your entire syllabus is going to be over. And if you're in 10th, again, there's an advantage. By the time you complete your grade 10th or just shift to grade 11th, the entire mathematics of 11th and 12th of JEE ISI is going to be over, and you have 2 full years to revise the things. Okay, so that is the advantage of joining this course early. Okay, I hope the confusion is clear and you know all about it. And if there is any confusion, let me know. Please put this in the description box. And let's see if I can make you 1 second. Okay, it is not there. Right, so links are there in the description box. You can always check the links and join the courses. If there is any query, please let me know. I'll definitely answer. God bless you. Bye, everyone.